Wattpad. Wattpad is a simple program that help you to type letter and poem, paragraph this. So how you will open your Wattpad? First you have to go to the start, then all program, then accessories, then on click on the Wattpad. See the steps are showing in your from the picture. See here, this is a step 1. First you have to click on the start, then you have to go to the program. From the program you have to click on accessories, then you will find it out the Wattpad. So this is the steps how you will open your Wattpad. After opening the Wattpad, how you should work, you should know. So this is a window of your Wattpad. See what are there? Now blue color which is highlighting, that is a title bar. Now the down portion which is marked where bold, italic, underline, font size are there, that is format bar. See the portion, this is total thing. After the main home and view, this is the menu bar. From there to the down portion is known as a ribbon. The down there is a ruler and beside there is a toolbar. And see, whenever you are typing in the Wattpad, the blinking line come on the screen and that is known as a cursor. So this indicate that you can type your text. Now see first how we can type. Now first if you write one line, see here is written I am learning Wattpad program. Now see the cursor are also moving when you are typing the text. Now see, now you know how to write it on Wattpad. Now you have to know how to make attractive your writing. To make the attractive your writing, you should use the font, different type of font or format bar options. So what are the format bar options are there? Font is there, font size are there, bold, italic, underline is there, and so we can do this. So how you will do? First you have to select the text, then you can choose your font style. See here the example they have given Comic Sans image or Calvary, but there is different type, Arial by bold, Arial narrow, Time New Romans. These are different type of font style are there. You can choose from the fonts here. Next, and from here you can take the font size and you can maintain the bold, italic, underline. See what is the bold? When you will click on the bold, all the letters should become black border, which is black boundary. And when you changes in the italic, it's come a stylish of writing, it come in a form of italic. And when you're clicking on U, that is underline, come on the keyboard. So this is how you can format your text by helping the format bar in the Wattpad. And there is extra thing is there also, the font color you can give. If you can increase your indent and means your margin setup also you can do with the help of this format bar. Now how to save the file? To save the file, what is the steps we have to follow? First we have to click on the Wattpad menu. When you will click on the menu, see there will be option save. So the step 2 you have to click on save on. When you are clicking on the save on dialog box will be open and they will want your location, that where you want to save. You will want to save in which drive or document. You have to select it and click on the, after writing the file name of your document, and click on the save. So this is the steps how to save the file. Now how to open the file or the documents. How you will open your file and the documents? And suppose new file. How to open the save file? Already file is saved. First you have to go to the Wattpad menu. From there you will click on open. From the open dialog box will be open it, and then where you have which location you have kept it the file, you have to find it out. Suppose for here they are showing you a document. From there you will click the your documents, your files, and then click open. The existing file means which file is already saved, that file will be open. So how to close this Wattpad? You have to close this Wattpad. So in a Wattpad menu, you will find it out. There is a, if you see the Wattpad menu, there is a exist option was there. So you will first click on this Wattpad menu, then go to the exit option, and then click on the exit option. If you not save the document, they will ask you to save by sending a message. And if you click on the save or do not save, that is your own choice, you will do. After that, when you click on the save, the dialog box will be appear on the screen to type your file name, and if you want to not save, then you can cancel it. Here the Wattpad will be closed and you can continue to work on it. So this is what is present in the Wattpad. And so what you have learned today, you learn how to use the Wattpad. What is the Wattpad? It is one of the program file, or you can tell a text editor where we can and type the text like paragraph and your poem, anything, we can type it. And little bit formatting we can do with the bold, italic, underline and font color. So this is what your chapter.